Maybe it's on your when you get to the Cleveland.
And the only thing I've got is T for the.
It adds more power to your AA.
Oh, okay. It's probably the Cleveland.
Yeah, it's like 20% bonus.
I'm getting close to the Cleveland, so.
But it only lasts like maybe under a minute, like 45 seconds. So, and then it takes like 2 minutes to recharge. It's like, damn.
It's like a turbo boost for the.
Yeah, but it only lasts like a number of seconds, and so you want to be sure they're nearby before you use it.
Yeah.
Like almost like overhead. Yeah, we're giving them C. We'll probably give them B. Yeah, we're gonna. Everybody always likes to pile onto A first, and you don't want to be caught by yourself in a battleship in this game. Are you at full speed?
Oh yeah.
You're like 7.2 kilometers from me.
I'm coming closer. Uh-oh, I see torpedoes.
Yep.
I got the pedal to the metal.
Fire, fire, fire! I'm gonna hit that damn mountain. Damn it, damn it, damn it! Uh-oh. What's this? Oh, no! No!
Turn into him or turn away from him.
I think I'm gonna eat at least one.
Oh crap.
That Ranger's gonna have to be dealt with. Ow!
The battle ends, but it's out of my range.
Damn it. Oh, good, he missed.
Torpedoes in the water.
Our team has taken the lead.
What if I can detonate him with my shots?
There's supposed to be some kind of a anti-torpedo something. Ah, damn it. Oh, and I can't turn right. I got another battleship. Oh,
Don't run into them. Oh, they died.
Good, thank goodness.
I was trying to shoot him.
Yeah, I hope he doesn't open up on my broadside here. Don't shoot. I just hit him with a meager 1. Alright, we're gonna need you up here to shoot these planes. Damn, that hurt.
I'm right here and to your starboard.
Our team has taken the lead.
Well, this is going to be a close range target. God bless it. What did he do? Stop?
I don't know what he did. Looks like it.
He did. He stopped. He's backing up.
He's dead.
Yes. That was nice.
Scout returning.
I gotta head back to B. We're doing good.
To answer your question, Byron, I do have it. I haven't played online yet. It's been a while since I played it before. I played Counter-Strike when it originally came out. And I've been playing against bots, so eventually I'll probably be putting that in rotation as well as probably Pillars of Eternity. It's a new game I bought. I kind of like. Come on.
This guy down south is taking a sweet. They're all heading to B. We need to go to B. Don't worry about him down there.
Right now I'm just trying to get out of here. Looks like he's got... Yeah.
He's gonna go around there before I think I can get a shot at him. He's shooting at me, you little varmint. You missed. Well, no. He got 1 or 2 on me. I got 2 on him. Nice. Whoa, whoa. Cruisers are zipping past me in front of me. Oh shit. Yeah, they're all at B.
Pardon me while I shoot at a carrier.
No. Okay. I guess. You're excused.
Our victory is in sight.
We're gonna win this by points. Oh man, oh man. I got a cruiser at 6 kilometers to my starboard. I'm gonna hit him as soon as he comes around that corner. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? There he is. What the hell is that? That's a Pensacola. Come on, baby.
I think he's run aground.
He is. Trying to reload. I need him dead.
I'm working on it.
I need him dead. I'm gonna pass him. Damn it. Oh my secondary guns are hitting.
I'm passing them too.
I think I'm gonna get past. Maybe I should like stop. If I can withstand what's in front of me, I can get him.
Come on, baby. Turn, 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 turn. Damn it!
Dang it.
I went right out of it exploding. In fact, I wish I could capture this picture. It's like the screen images of me going kaboom.
Oh, cool. I can get my better gun. Not that much better, but, you know, anything's an improvement. Alright. Fully upgraded. All modules. My next stop is the Nagato. 32,000. That's a lot of points. I gotta get... I need 32,000 out of 35. Oh well. Time for my next ship. Again, it's rated. I'm only like 1983 from the Pensacola, but the cost is more money than I've got.
Yeah, if I can do it good this one round, I'll have the Cleveland. So I'm like 1,163 away.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to go from the Cleveland to the Pensacola. Oh shit, where is it? Oh, I gotta go to port, I guess. Yeah, it's 2,160,000, and I've only got 1,320,000. So I need like 1 million more exchange credits.
Yeah.
Even if I research it, I can't buy it.
How many exchange credits you have right now?
1,321,000.
Boy, I can just barely purchase a Cleveland as it is.
Yeah. Yeah, it comes down to a money issue.
I got...
I'm gonna go get a beer. I'll be right back.
Okay. Well, I'm glad you could come and watch us tonight, BioWare. That's all. I'm hoping for people like you that the open beta comes out soon, because this is it. I love this game. I mean, I'll be honest with you. I have attention deficit disorder. I have the attention span of a gnat, and this game has got me enthralled. So, if a game got me want to play it every night, that you can definitely know that I like this game, and Zenfer can attest to that as well. He's known me long enough to agree with me. You back, Zenfer?
Were you gonna say vouch?
No, yeah, vouch. I was telling BioWare, Jim is following us right now. I was telling him this has to be a good game, because you know me, I have the attention span of a gnat to begin with.
Yeah, but this is tell me this in 2 more weeks.
Yeah, that's true. You ready?
Yes, ready.